Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Matter Daily. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. If you've ever been curious about investing in digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even the meme-fueled Dogecoin, you're in the right place. I'm GC, and this is your guide to navigating the crypto universe. Segment 1. What are cryptocurrencies? First things first, what exactly are cryptocurrencies? Well, they're decentralized digital currencies that use cryptography for security. Bitcoin, the pioneer, started it all, but now we have a variety of options. Ethereum with its smart contract capabilities, and the internet sensation Dogecoin. Segment 2. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about the exciting part, investing. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be both thrilling and risky. Start by researching and understanding each coin. Consider your risk tolerance and invest only what you can afford to lose. Segment 3. Associated risks. Cryptocurrency markets can be a wild ride. The value of coins can skyrocket, but it can also plummet. Volatility is the name of the game. Make sure you're aware of the risks, and never invest blindly. It's crucial to stay informed and be prepared for market fluctuations. Segment 4. Safety measures. Safety is paramount in the crypto space. Secure your investments with reputable wallets, use two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. Scams are unfortunately common, so stay vigilant and double-check everything. And there you have it, your crash course on cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset in this space. Do your research, invest wisely, and always prioritize your financial safety. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things finance. And as always, let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to explore in future videos. Until next time, I'm GC, signing off from Money Matter Daily. Happy investing!